why your home workouts aren't working. You wanna know the reason why your home workouts aren't working? It's because you don't have a structured plan to follow by, which means you're doing random workouts. And that right there is the reason why you're stuck. See, it's not that, ooh, I don't have equipment or I don't go to a gym. It's not about that. For everyone, you've been watching me long enough, you know that I work out only at home. I built my physique, as you guys see to this day, at home. We're just mastering the basics. Yes, I got a few dumbbells and stuff that I use, guys. But for the most part, I do a lot of calisthenics. I tell people this all the time: if you learn to master your body weight with just the basic, you can build a crazy physique right at home, just like how I did. It's not that hard, but I understand it can be difficult to make progress when you don't have structure. I understand that. That's why I created a 30-day no gym workout program that you can do right at home to build muscle and get lean. All you gotta do is hit that link in the description down below. Start your 30-day transformation today. Enough waiting, man, enough waiting. Summertime right around the corner. Some of you guys, you still stuck. You ain't making progress, or some of you that's watching this, you haven't even started yet. It's time for you to start. It's time for you to stop making excuses. It's time for you to gain progress right at home just by doing home workouts if you don't want to go to a gym. Click the link in the description down below. Transform your body in 30 days and pack on some muscle. But today I will just be doing push-ups. That's it, just push-ups right here in my garage. All you need is your body and space. If you master the basics, you can build a crazy physique right at home. So I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna show you guys this whole workout that I'm fixing to do. That's only gonna take me like 30 to 40 minutes. You can do this anywhere. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, subscribe. Enough of me talking, let's get straight into it. Guys, this physique was built right at home. No gym membership, no excuses, guys. Just a structured plan and discipline. That's it. Now, if you want to transform your body in 30 days, build muscle, get lean right before the summer, click that link in the description down below. Start your 30-day transformation today, man. Stop waiting. Stop procrastinating. Start now. Just completed my workout, y'all. I'm gonna be honest, I did not want to come out here and do this shit at all. I was this close to not working out today, but I was like, you know what? Fuck my feelings. Let's lock in. Let's put this work in. That's exactly what I did. I feel good. I feel amazing. Drenched in sweat, y'all. I'm exhausted, but we got it in. Sometimes you just got to put your feelings to the side, lock in, and just show up. You know, 1% better every single day, even if you feel like it or not. Show up anyway. Show up for yourself, you know. The results gonna follow. But I feel good. I feel amazing. I killed it, y'all. I did some cardio. I did some abs. I did push-ups. That was it. That was it. Some of you guys don't know, man, but before I started working out, I suffered with low self-esteem. I had no confidence in myself. And me growing up, man, I just had, you know, so much pain built up inside. I didn't have a role model. I didn't really have somebody I can really look up to, you know, and man, just a lot of shit I was just trying to figure out and just, you know, wondering why is this happening, you know, like it just led me to having so much pain built up inside of me. I could have easily turned into doing bad things that I'm not supposed to be doing, but I simply just want to better myself and become a better version of myself. So I just put that pain, that energy, you know, into simply just doing that, working out daily, you know, eating the right foods, you know, getting closer to God. Like I simply just stay out the way. I don't go to no clubs. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do parties, guys. I don't do none of that. I simply train, work, you know, and just stay to myself, stay out the way. That's it. That's literally it. All right, y'all, so workout completed, but I'm in the kitchen as you guys see. My next meal, guys, I got 5 eggs right here. I got 97% lean ground beef. And I also got a half a cup of white rice. That right there will be what, my third? No, this actually will be my second meal. But as far as supplements, for everyone that's new to my channel, the only supplements that I do take creatine. I take about 10 grams of creatine, you know. Creatine is the most researched supplement that's out there, so it is safe for you to take. I advise you though, if you do start taking creatine, take 5 grams, which is 1 scoop. You drink a lot of water. A lot of you guys say that creatine make you bloated. You know, for me, it don't make me bloated. And I know for a lot of people as well, the only reason it make you bloated because you're not drinking enough water. For pre-workout, guys, this is the pre-workout that I take. I've been taking this for quite some time. It's the only pre-workout that I take is Rise. Good for pump, good for energy, and also strength, guys, as well. For protein powder, this is the protein powder that I take. This is from Audi. I think I got about 1 more scoop left. As you guys see, your boy take this a lot. So I got like 1 more scoop left. I might actually drink this with this meal. We'll see. And that right there is the only 3 supplements that I take, guys. Look. You guys got to make sure that you take care of your business in the kitchen. Eat a lot of protein. I eat about 200 G's of protein a day. You know, 200 G's. So your protein got to be on point. Your carbs got to be on point. Your fats, you know, all of this stuff plays a role when it comes to you getting in shape. You can't just work out and train and expect you're going to get the results when you ain't take care of your damn business in the kitchen. So make sure you guys are treating your nutrition just as important as your training. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking this meal and I'm gonna show you guys how it come out. Yes, sir.